फील करते हैं कि क्रिमिनल्स को पकड़े नहीं जा रहे हो, का जाविया है कि यार वी नीड लॉज टू कैच these criminals because they're seen this and I'm sure they feel the pain. But let me tell you a pain I felt from the other perspective. The pain I, in fact, two pains मैं आपको बताऊंगा. एक केस जो हम सबको पता है, जो फैसल चौहान का केस है, where an incorrect procedure resulted in the incarceration of a completely innocent person and a miscarriage, or abhi he's left that company as well. So thereby the concern that the procedure, in this case absence of procedure, not be left to some secretary, secretary high level president or whoever, but it be part of the law to make sure that beguna nahi pakda jata. And a second case under investigation right now, where once again the FIA arrested a person, not the NR3C, because of some reference to ETO, to the best of my knowledge, and my knowledge may be limited, without any evidence being provided for that ETO violation, which was theft of confidential data, to the best of my knowledge. So वैसे भी कह रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे दो जाविये हैं, एक आपका जाविया है जहाँ पे आप देखते हैं कि ये क्रिमिनल मैं पकड़ नहीं सकता हूँ, and I want to, मैं आपकी जगह था मैं भी फील करता हूँ, मगर एक दूसरा जाविया कि जो बेगुनाह बंदा है उसको पकड़ा ना दे. तो ये मेरे ख्याल में भी हमने दो चीजें बैलेंस करनी है. Now इसके साथ
you asked for a specific if I may so wrong example, you were criticizing present TV system. No, sorry. You did not give any example from this law. Okay. You were criticizing.
I was illustrating it.
Yeah, that is just एक साइड ये देख लेते हैं कि भाषा की मैं स्पेसिफिक चल रही है. भाषा की वेबसाइट पे एक फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन है. उसमें पहला क्वेश्चन है, does the law helps my business? इसका आंसर है, it creates an insecure environment for business generally in Pakistan and a particular hostile environment for IT and IT enabling business to operate, invest and conduct business in Pakistan. This will not just obstruct and discourage foreign business, but will force many Pakistani business to move this their operation, investment and business out of Pakistan. A strong statement.
So
one example.
एक specific example.
Can I give an example?
Specific example. Okay, Zaid, he refers to you. Zaid, give us now going forward specific. Let's Zaid बताइए specific example.
Moderator sir, responses should be time part.
Yeah.
Not long theses.
Take 30 seconds, Zaid, to give a specific example.
Okay, let's take cyber stalking. And let's take the fact that anybody basically does anything that is immoral, okay, and showing that to international companies saying what is immoral, what is illegality. And first of all, doing anything that is also or threatening to do something immoral, how does that become cyber stalking in the first place? That's one example. Let me give you another example. The definition of electronic road and electronic...
नहीं सर, cyber stalking पे रहते हैं. Cyber stalking, page 64, clause number 13. Whoever with intent to coerce, intimidate or harass any person uses computer network, blah blah blah, to communicate obscene, vulgar, profane, rude, lascivious, indecent language, make any suggestion or proposal of obscene nature, threaten any illegal, immoral act, take or distribute pictures, photographs, display or distribute information in a manner that substantially. Now, be clear, be specific, Zaid. What do you see as problems in this definition? 1, 2, 3 specifics.
What you're basically saying is anybody that makes any kind of gesture which is immoral, then it automatically becomes a criminal offense.
So you send a dirty joke or something like that, you're saying you would end up in jail? Is that your point? Give specific examples, please.
Right, what is immoral? Specific example, I send somebody a joke, and that joke has sexual overtones on it. It is not something offensive, but if that is considered immoral by somebody or by a judge or by the person who receives it, then I can actually be charged with cyber stalking, which by the way, this is not.
So what's your point? This is not cyber stalking. Please be precise. Whether yes, cyber stalking.
Precise. Number one, this is not cyber stalking. Number two, immorality is never converted under criminal law to illegality. Immorality has no connection with illegality. It's either illegal or it's not.
Acha, okay.
Indecent exposure. Indecent exposure.
Now, who wants to? No, एक second. Let's have a moderated conversation. Who wants to respond? Anwar Saab is going to respond to you. Go ahead.
Yeah, if you read this section 13, I think everybody has a copy of it. Whoever with intent to coerce, intimidate or harass. these are the prerequisites for cyber stalking. अगर आप if you have intention of coercion or intimidation or harassment, ये तीन होंगे तो आप जो भी करेंगे।
आज मेरी आपसे दोस्ती है, सही है, मैंने आपको मेल भेजी, कल मेरा आपसे नाराजगी हो गई, सही है, मैंने उस वक्त जो मेरे मेल बॉक्स में
ठीक है,
सही है, आप बताइए, मैंने तो कह दिया आपको इंटेंट ही गलत था, आपने जो हरासमेंट की भेजा, मेल तो आपने पहले भेजी है, दोस्ती थी, नहीं सर, देखिए इंटेंट सेपरेट हो गया ना, क्योंकि मेरी तो आपसे कल चारों के सामने झगड़ा हुआ था, ऑफिस के लोग गवाह देंगे, ना बताइए।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। मेरे ख्याल जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैसेज होते हैं उनकी टाइम एंड डेट रैंकिंग भी साथ होती है, के साथ आ रहे होते हैं। हर क्राइम में दुनिया के आप एलिगेशन लगा सकते हैं, हर क्राइम में आप फॉल्स एलिगेशन लगा सकते हैं कि इसने मुझे ये जो लेटर आम दुनिया में मतलब आप ये जो जिसको हम कहते हैं ना क्रिमिनल इंटरप्रिटेशन विच इज 506 ऑफ पीवीसी, उसको वो जिक्र कर रहे थे, उसको भी इस तरह मिसयूज कर सकते हैं कि जी ये लेटर जो है इसने मेरी दोस्ती थी, मेरे उससे मजाक है, उस तरह की दुश्मनी हो गई, मैं उसको यूज कर सकता हूँ, कोई भी एविडेंस पड़ेगी जो इलेक्ट्रो। और इसमें ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है प्रूफ करना है जो आपने एग्जांपल दी, क्योंकि इसमें टाइम स्टैम्पिंग होगी, आपका झगड़ा आज हुआ, अगर मैं परसों की मेल दिखा रहा हूँ तो उसके साथ मोर आ जाएगा। एंड वन मोर थिंग, हाउ इट विल स्टॉप international businesses, IT businesses, and move their businesses out of Pakistan.
अच्छा, इस पे ये very
Pakistan anymore because there's the